My name is Matthew Wilcox. I'm the Director of Interactive Services for Zions Band Corporation. Our company does business online in regards to financial services, so you can transfer funds, check your balances, open a new product or account. So any sort of financial management tool can be done online through our business. We realized that customer experience was important, in particular to our online channel, several years ago. I think it's something that we've always recognized was important, but really without the proper tool set, haven't been able to manage accordingly. So with TLeaf, it's allowed us to really view the customer experience and fold the online experience into our overall customer marketing experience management. So customer experience online is of vital importance to our organization. The first event that really sparked customer experience management for us was when we were overhauling one of our major web properties. We realized that we were really looking at it through our eyes only and designing and doing the navigation through what our perspective or perceived notions were for how the site should look and feel. TLeaf's major function in our website redesign was many different things. First, feature functionality. So not only just the A/B testing of what happens with the customer when we move or change a color or move a box or something within the site, but overall looking at the site holistically and letting the customer look at it. And through the analysis, we've seen changes that we've made with not only navigation, but also page placement as well as design. So from design to navigation to the end user experience, TLeaf has been a great partner and tool in our website redesign projects.
We had a specific initiative a couple of years ago where acquiring new customers online became of paramount importance to us, and we felt that customer experience was the critical factor in that. After utilizing TLeaf, we found, in fact, it was the bottleneck for us. After scrubbing through all of our customer data and that customer experience, we found that after going through and improving that experience, we saw significant increases in our new account deposits, our acquisitions of new customers, and just our overall customer experience in the brand and just the overall flow for our new account acquisition. And it was a very successful initiative. TLeaf helped us last year in a very specific case. We rolled out an upgrade to our mobile banking platform. And at the time, the infrastructure that we had was very limited. And we used TLeaf to, on the fly, give us some incredibly robust insight into what our customer base was doing. Being that we have a corporation that spans the entire western U.S., we have customers that behave very differently. Our customers in California behave very differently from our customers in Texas, and so TLeaf provided us the insight into how many customers were using iPads in California versus in Texas, how many people are using iPhones. It was also at the same time the Android smartphones were really surging in the market, and everybody was kind of teeter-tottering. Is Android something that's going to be something of significance, or is it going to drop off and be nothing? And TLeaf provided us incredible insight at that really critical moment in time to make some very, very important decisions. And we even passed those decisions down along the line to our vendors. And it actually changed critical roadmap items that even for probably the next 2 years will have very long-term meaningful impacts. And TLeaf is almost singularly the thing that provided us the insight that allowed us to do that. With TLeaf, I think without a shadow of a doubt, we are able to experience our customers in ways that we couldn't in any other way. TLeaf gives us not just the ability to literally see them, but the ability to react on the fly to things that happen. Mobile being the perfect example. It's changing every day. So as our customers' behaviors change every day, TLeaf lets us experience that with them. And with that change, we can all change together, and it's a win-win. So as customers' behaviors change, as their desires change, we can change and give them those value-added changes back to them. Everybody wins, and everybody's happy. It's a really great experience.
My name is Brent Rutland. I am an IT application support analyst, which is a fancy word saying I take care of software, lots of it. And I've been with Zions about 6 years and had the pleasure of working with T-Leaf for the majority of that time, so it's been exciting. Having T-Leaf in the organization here at Zions Bank Corporation has given many of our affiliates a competitive edge. Because we have the capability to see that user experience, to understand what they're doing and when issues are experienced, to be able to see that experience and have the code background to fix it quickly, makes us in a very good position in regards to our competitors out there. We've been able to respond well, stay on the cutting edge because of the things that T-Leaf provides for our support and development divisions. I think the best example we can use for how T-Leaf has benefited us is most recently we've implemented a user interface page in our website that keeps a lot of what's going on in that user experience on one page. We call it our IBUIR page. And we've had some issues with load times on that specific page. And as we've worked through those issues, we simply created an event to identify that IBUIR interface page, and then we tied it to the connection type for that user. And when they interact, be it a T1 or a cable modem or dial-up, we base it off of a T1 connection.
T-Leaf is going to be involved in one of our major strategic initiatives for Zions Bank Corporation. As we look to move forward with customer experience management, we've created a core channel steering committee that includes representatives from online banking, mobile banking, the contact center, ATM, as well as the branch network. One of the key pieces to ensure that that is successful is aligned reporting. T-Leaf is going to bring insight from the online and mobile channels so that we can share that with the rest of the channels on what exactly the customer is experiencing online and mobile. Those reporting and analytics are going to be vital to the success of that channel steering committee.